right, Peter, get your banjo on. It's just fun to say, you know. Peter and I grew up playing bluegrass at festivals in Alabama, and Peter plays banjo, as you now see and will soon hear. Not that that says much, because everyone plays banjo, because it's an open-strung G chord. So, there you go.
I'm glad you said that. I was thinking tonight you could pick the banjo.
Yes. You thought wrong. You ready?
Yes, sir.
I ain't gonna work on the railroad. I ain't gonna work on the farm. Gonna lay down the shack till that train comes back and roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay down the shack till that train comes back and roll in my sweet baby's arms. I'm on to be the operator. 6 years to weave and spin. Dad's got his eye on that old cotton mill. Watch all the money roll in. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay down the shack till that train comes back and roll in my sweet baby's arms.
I know your parents don't like me. They kick me right through the door. If I could do my life over again, I'd never show my face no more.
Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay down the shack till that train comes back and roll in my sweet baby's arms. Take it, Josh! Now where was you last Friday night while I was laying in jail? You were walking the streets with another man that wouldn't even post my bail. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay round the shack till that train comes back and roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay round the shack till that train comes back. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Sing along. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay round the shack till that train comes back. And roll in my sweet baby's arms. Gonna lay round the shack till that train comes back. And roll in my sweet baby's arms.